Hi, I'm Mehak.
And I'm Megha, MSc Counseling Psychology students from the Department of Psychology. The Rajagiri Center for Behavioral Science and Research was formed in the year 2016 and within a short period of time has become a fully fledged psychology department, offering courses in undergraduate psychology, postgraduate psychology with specialization in clinical and counseling psychology, and a research center with a PhD program.
All this has been possible due to the far-sighted vision and wholehearted support of the Rajagiri management. With the vision for striving relentlessly towards excellence, we are equipped with the best infrastructure, spacious classrooms, well-designed labs with Pebble, and a state-of-the-art library.
We are led by experienced faculty who are practitioners and researchers from diverse backgrounds. Our students therefore have exposure to various learning experiences apart from classroom teaching. At the UG level, the students are provided with opportunities for counseling in schools, clinical exposure training, and industrial exposure through internships and career guidance.
Our MSc students also have this unique concurrent clinical training where in the first year they spend a day in a week in schools for children with special needs. In the second year, they spend 2 days a week to practice the skills they've already learned at the classrooms in approximately 50 clinics and hospital departments in India and abroad.
5 mental health community centers situated in some of the most deprived areas of Alua are also supported by the Department of Psychology, offering their services in both mental health and for other needs. All these contributes to the social and community well-being values that Rajagiri has always stood up for.
For the last 25 years, Rajagiri has collaborated with several universities in Europe, Asia, America, and Australia. We have students from different countries joining us every year for both the UG and the PG programs. Our students also participate in college and university programs abroad. Visiting faculty from abroad and experts from India add to the learning and perspective that our students gain. We are well known for our cultural and extracurricular activities, including nature camps, rural camps, and festivals like Splendor and Siesta. Our annual junior research competition, Junior Behavioral Scientists, is well known around the nation, attracting young scholars from all over India. Our students have gone on to pursue higher degrees in several key institutes, both nationally and internationally. Many have taken to teaching, while several have become practitioners. When they step out of Rajagiri, they have not only earned cutting-edge professional and personal life skills, but also have learned to become compassionate and ethical professionals.
We at Rajagiri look forward to contributing to humanity through enriching and empowering our students. Thank you.